surrounded by the Drakensberg in the Blyde Canyon, is a beautiful cove with a Tufa Waterfall. This is the second largest Tufa waterfall in the world, and certainly the largest in Africa. The principle here is that instead of the rock being eaten away by the water and gradually eroding, it builds up and outwards from deposits of calcium carbonate which leach through the rock and are deposited by the water. So the fall gradually grows larger and larger and more outward, as it were. And these are the skeletons of once great living trees now standing and serving as a nesting site for a colony of white-breasted cormorant. And in the water beneath, a symbiosis of living forces and forms. Hippopotamus, bream, and yellowfish. The throat movement being made by this white cormorant is part of its cooling apparatus. Just one of the strange habits that these birds present. I look forward to coming back to this Tufa Cove after the rains in the summer, because then this entire wall will be just one beautiful sheet of white, soft falling water. The rain does indeed transform our living world.